How to draw an isometric window. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer and set it through drawing axis and start to draw a windows. It's going to be very long window and many partitions, kind of glass window. Alright, create a new layer and set it to drawing axis because we are going to draw a vertical window frames. You can draw just one and duplicate it. It is like I'm showing in the video now. It's much easier to do. I'm erasing the overlap lines. Eventually, after you erase them, you can merge all of the layers. Yes, it's done.